Chemistry is found all around us. We've decided to base our project on the contamination of detergents thrown into the rivers and other on-land waters. Detergent and soap are similar chemically, except for the oil in them. Many soaps use natural fats, while detergents use refined petroleum. Soap and detergent molecules have two ends, which act as a bridge between water molecules and grease, other known as fat, molecules. This allows the soap or detergent to grab onto the grease from a dirty dish and use the other end of the detergent molecule to latch on to water to be washed away. For starters, when detergent is thrown into the water, it floats to the top due to a lower density, mixing it into the water and changing its pH, acidity, between other things. For this reason, detergents can have a poisonous effect in all types of aquatic life. For example, the chemical compounds in detergent breaks apart the bonds between the external mucus and the scales of the fish, enabling parasites and bacteria to enter the body more easily. Plus, they can also cause severe damage in the gills, the particles breaking down its walls and irritating the skin. More fish die when detergent concentration approaches 15 parts per million. Phosphates in detergent can lead to freshwater algae blooms that releases toxins and deplete oxygen in waterways. When the algae decompose, they use up the oxygen available for aquatic life, making the living organisms die from asphyxiation in the worst of cases, since they are unable to exchange the oxygen and create carbon dioxide. Eggs latch onto the algae, but due to the chemical composition of the detergents, the liquid keeping them stuck breaks apart, making them scatter across the water. A concentration as low as 5 ppm will kill fish eggs, meaning the survival rates of the animals inside water with detergents have a small chance of survival. Detergent molecules' two ends make it able to break through the surface tension of water. The end of the detergent molecules, which attaches to fat, repels water molecules. It is known as hydrophobic, meaning water-fearing. By attempting to move away from the water molecules, the hydrophobic ends of the detergent molecules push up to the surface. This weakens the hydrogen bonds holding the water molecules together at the surface. The result is a break in the surface tension of the water. Due to the lower surface tension, insects that would usually live on it drown. This also affects the reproduction of many aquatic animals. Detergents containing harmful ingredients cause damage to the soil structure by raising the alkalinity of soil. Consequently, the damaged soil deteriorates healthy plants. Some bleaching detergents kill the good bacteria in the soil.